Hi friends, now I'm going to show you how to unbox the GoPro Max. Here you can see the GoPro Max box packed like this, perfect packing. And now here you have one stripe which you have to pull out. Okay, once you pull out the stripe, then you can unbox it, and once you pull. So this is the box, perfect box. Now is a GoPro Max. Now when you open this, you'll find a card how to use it, the instruction card. And in this it is mentioned, they have mentioned like the application to download from App Store and Google Play. Okay, and this is one more card, okay, which is called a free plus unlimited cloud storage of your GoPro footage, damaged camera replacement, no questions asked. Try it at gopro.com free plus. Okay, and now what else we get inside this box? There is one card which says notice, okay, and then warning. Then if you have any question, a questionnaire, like it is just like a questionnaire, and then you will find a GoPro sticker, and then a very small but lot of pages are there in this, the complete instruction manual, and it has got in 2-3 languages. Now once you open this, you'll find one more card. This is the protective lens inside. So when you open this protective lens, let's see what's there inside. You can see a beautiful bag along with this, and you'll find a protective lens inside this. This is a protective lens. There are two, both the sides. And then what else is there in this bag? Nothing. Okay, now let me see in the bottom what you get. You'll find the sticker, you'll find on USB, a C-type USB, and you'll find a battery, and you will find a cap to cover your lens. There are two caps are there. Find two caps. That's it. And this is what is there. Now now you just leave this on the top. You can find you can remove like this, and it has got a beautiful, it's very handy, okay, and lightweight.